Let's have fun in English. Your channel. To make your English from zero to hero.
English common questions and sample answers in daily life. Part 4. Question 76. Do you want a dessert? Do you want a dessert? Sample answers. No, thank you. I am full. Yes, please. Can I see a list? Question 77. How does it taste? How does it taste? It's delicious. Question 78. Can I get you anything else? Can I get you anything else? No, thank you. I'm ready for the bill, please. Yes, can I see a dessert menu? Question 79. What do you think about this event? What do you think about this event? I really like it. What do you think? Question 80. Are you here with anybody? Are you here with anybody? I came with my best friend. Question 81. Have you got a pet? Have you got a pet? I've got a puppy. Question 82. How do you do? How do you do? How do you do? Pleased to meet you. Question 83. What's this? What's this? This is a pencil. Question 84. What does she look like? What does she look like? She's tall and slim with blonde hair. Question 85. How is she? How is she? She's pretty. Question 86. What is he like? What is he like? He is very smart and brave. Question 87. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I'm hungry. No, I'm full. Question 88. How do you feel about him? How do you feel about him? He is quite friendly and helpful. Question 89. May I open the window? May I open the window? Certainly. It's very hot in the office today. Question 90. Do you need help? Do you need help? No, I'm good. Thanks for asking. Yes, please, if you don't mind. Question 91. What do you do every day? What do you do every day? I listen to music and play badminton every day. Question 92. What are you planning to do today? What are you planning to do today? I'm not sure yet. Question 93. What are you planning for after work? What are you planning for after work? I'm going shopping with my friends. Question 94. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I'm free tomorrow. No problem, we can meet tomorrow. Question 95. Will you join me for coffee? Will you join me for coffee? I'd love to. Thanks. Sorry. I'm afraid I don't have time. Question 96. Could we have lunch together one day? Could we have lunch together one day? With pleasure. I'd love to, but I'm very busy at the moment. Question 97. Would you like to have dinner with me? Would you like to have dinner with me? Yes. That would be nice. Question 98. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? I'd like to go to a Japanese restaurant. Question 99. Would you like to come to the cinema with me tonight? Would you like to come to the cinema with me tonight? Sure. I'd love to. Sorry, I can't. I've got other plans. Question 100. Would you like to play a round of golf this weekend? Would you like to play a round of golf this weekend? That would be great. I'd like to, but I'm not free this weekend. It's all for this session. Bye for now.